Hey everybody, this small little tutorial will be how to string your Troy-Bilt TB22 weed whacker. Very simple. You're going to start with approximately 12 feet of trimmer line. I'm using 0.095 is the diameter that I'm using. So first what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the cap. Let me move this out of the way. Unscrew the cap. Put that to the side. You're going to take your trimmer line. This is not 12 feet, but this is just for an example, and we're just going to put it in half. We're going to get it right in the middle there. Once it's in the middle, you're going to come into here and you're going to find a little slot. Get it in its slot, and you're going to wind it. This is winding it clockwise when the spring is facing towards you. So just keep it tight. Keep winding it. There you go. Now when we're getting towards the end, we're going to find the 0.95 since that's what my size is. And we're going to end up and lock it in. Got that one locked in. Got that one locked in. Alright, now that's locked in on my 0.95. It could be 0.95 or it could be, what's the other number there? It's 0.65. So mine's 0.95. So now that I got that in there, it's locked in its place. Now we're going to put it together. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find the little eyelet hole. Feed that one through there. Feed the other one through that side. Get the spring in the middle. Keep the notch where it's going, right near where it goes in. We're going to feed it up. We're going to get a little twist. You're going to see it springs up into place. So now we can end up and screw it back together. That's the fun part, getting the screw in. There we go. That's it, screwed in. Then you can just hold this up, give it a little pull, give it a little pull. It's taking it out of those little clips. After you've done that, now you can size up your trimmer line to your cutting blade. Cutting blade, we'll give it a cut. Bring it around. Give it a cut. And you are now ready to use your Restring bump stop. Hope this helps.